Welcome back guys. अब हम करेंगे practical electricity question 4 paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 4. The cable of a washing machine contains three separate wires. ठीक है ना? Three separate wires हम guess कर सकते हैं. It is the live wire, the neutral wire and the earth wire, as those are the three main wires that you have to remember. और इनकी functionalities बतानी चाहिए और इनके uses बताने चाहिए. ठीक है ना? There is a fuse anon. One of the wires that is definitely the live wire. लाइव वायर पे ही फ्यूज होगा, लाइव वायर पे ही स्विच होगा, वगैरह वगैरह. State how the wire, earth wire and fuse work together to make the washing machine safer. For example, the insulation has been damaged here, right? Insulation जो है वो damage हो गया है इधर, right? So what will happen is it will make the surrounding metal casing, all the metal casing, it will make it electrically charged. और अगर आप इधर हाथ लगाओगे तो you would feel a shock. So in order to prevent that shock, we will need a earth wire. And the earth wire का purpose क्या होगा? Earth wire का purpose ये होगा कि instead of that shock going to your hand, it will be earthed into the earth. So it is used as a safety mechanism. It is a wire that is connected to the metal casing of devices such as washing machine, right? If the live wire accidentally touches the metal casing, which is like the naked live wire without any insulation, what will happen is it will make the whole washing machine electrically charged, and if anyone touches it, he will get shocked. So in order to prevent that, what we will do is we will make a shortcut, which is the earth wire. And earth wire has extremely low resistivity. I mean resistance. It will have extremely low resistance, which will make all the current flow through the earth wire into the earth, right? तो ये करेगा, and it will prevent any casing from becoming electrically charged. And what will the fuse do? The fuse will blow. The fuse will blow when you like यहाँ से आ रहा है current आ रहा है यहाँ से यहाँ पे insulation of the wire is damaged, so it goes from the earth wire down. When the insulation has been damaged, जो होगा ना, the resistance of the earth wire is extremely low. Therefore, all the current will go inside the earth wire and eventually the fuse will blow. It is a small device in the circuit that can break the flow of electricity जब something is wrong. ठीक है ना? If too much electricity starts to flow due to the live wire touching the metal casing, the fuse will detect this and it will blow. और जब ये blow करेगा, it's likely a safety switch off the power. So ये जो earth wire है और the fuse, they work together when there is a problem with the insulation and the live wire touches the casing. जब earth wire gives the electricity a safe path, the fuse stops the excess electricity by causing the fuse to blow. So that will happen. मैंने बहुत explanation और depth के साथ आपको बताया. So yeah. State the name of the wire in which the fuse is connected. State the name of the wire in which the fuse is connected. It will be connected in the live wire. It will be connected in the live wire, and I think they have asked us the question of why is it connected to the live wire. It is connected to the live wire because it is the specific path which it is going through. अगर आप इस path से जा रहे हो, right? और अगर करंट इधर तक पहुंच ही नहीं रहा, तो what is the purpose of putting it in the neutral wire? Even though they haven't said it, okay, why isn't it connected to the neutral wire, but we still have to assume because these are the only two wires. अगर neutral wire में connect भी हुआ होता, तो there will be no current or no way of detecting that there is a damaged insulation of wire. तो उसका जो path होगा that will not have reached the neutral wire, the path of the current. So therefore, it is connected to the live wire. When the fuse melts, the live wire is not connected to any part of the device. Yeah, of course. It isolates the device. Therefore, there will be no more. It will be isolated from the main power supply. ठीक है ना? So the washing machine will be no more getting the power. The cable of the hair dryer only contains only two wires. State the name of each of these wires. The name of these wires will be it will be neutral and the live wire. It will not contain earth wire because हेयर ड्रायर्स सच एज हेयर ड्रायर्स जो होते हैं दे कंटेन डबल आइस इंसुलेशन ठीक है ना फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बॉडी इज मेड आउट ऑफ प्लास्टिक एंड the what do you call it the wire inside it is covered with plastic so there will be no need of earthing right so we will only need live and neutral live neutral so yeah these are the only two wires which are required suggest why the hair dryer does not need a earth wire double insulation. So let's check. आप इसको elaborate करके लिखना. Because of double insulation, there will no longer be, we will no longer be in need of earth wire. ठीक है ना? Double insulation casing. Hair dryer is plastic. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz. Sorry, I might seem a bit slow today क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत नहीं ठीक थी. So sorry for that.